Preheat your oven to 350 grad Fahrenheit. In a bowl, add the following ingredients. The butter. At room temperature. Brown sugar. And white sugar. Cream together until pale in color and fluffy. Once fluffy, add the vanilla extract, the eggs, and mix well. In another bowl, mix the dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix until well combined. Gradually, add the dry ingredients to the bowl of wet ingredients and mix well until you have a dough. Continue mixing with an electric hand mixer or stand mixer. Chop the pecans. Fold the pecans and the coconut into the dough evenly. Mold the cookies by taking approximately a tablespoon of dough into your hands and rolling it into a ball. Repeat with the remainder of the dough, leaving a 1 to 2 inch gap between each ball of dough. You can sprinkle coconut on top or some more chopped pecans if desired. Bake for around 10 to 12 minutes. Serve and enjoy.